Hi, I'm Dr. Brad Weinstein, and I wanted to bring you this message on behalf of the doctors in our office, our team members, our hygienists, our assistants, our front office, and speak to you a little bit about some of the challenges we're facing with COVID right now and many of the efforts we're taking in our practice to keep you and your families safe. This is a time of uncertainty for everyone, but times like these remind us of how blessed we all are. While it's been challenging, we know that we can use this time as an opportunity to bring stronger bonds with each other and be there to protect and support one another. The social isolation has allowed us to appreciate how fortunate we are to be surrounded by our family and friends. We feel so blessed to do the work that we do and be surrounded by such a great team as well as amazing patients. We have spoken to many of you during this time, and that connection has been very comforting. On a personal level, it's been difficult to be away from our patients and our referring doctors and to stop doing the work that we love. We can't tell you how much we are looking forward to getting back to our jobs and doing what we do best. We know that you must all be worried about your health and concerned about your family's well-being. We want to reassure you that your safety is our number one priority as well. We know what it's like to care for a sick child or a loved one, and so protecting the health of our patients, our staff, and our families has always been our goal. We wish you nothing more than the greatest health and prosperity, and it is my greatest desire as your doctor to keep you all safe. As surgeons, we deal with preventing infection on a daily basis, so it's a natural instinct. We have always adhered to the highest standards of care and safety, but now with COVID-19, we are working together to achieve even greater standards of care. So let us share with you what we as a practice have been doing to prepare ourselves for your visit and ensure your safety. During this time of isolation, we have been working closely with our team and with our referring doctors to research and put into place increased protective measures and develop protocols of infection control that will help to minimize your risk of exposure to the virus and to ensure the well-being of every person that comes into our office. We've created a checklist of recommendations and guidelines that will be implemented in each and every stage of your visit. We will limit how germs can enter our office, starting from the time you schedule. With pre-visit screening, we will be recognizing potential carriers. When you arrive, we have modified our reception area by minimizing all clutter, and the large reception space will allow for proper social distancing. When you're in treatment, elevated protocols of infection control will be carried out throughout the duration of the time you're here. After each procedure, the room is not only disinfected with sprays and thorough wiping down, but the air is also cleaned using high-volume air filtration, which is utilized for a sufficient period to completely clean the room air. Another patient will not be brought into the room until that is completely done. We'll also be implementing virtual exams and post-op visits to limit your exposure as well as your travel to our office. Detailed descriptions and a checklist of everything we're doing will be listed on our website, and we invite you to take a look at them. This way you'll be aware of the safety measures we are using for your protection. When we resume practicing, we will continue to provide you with the best clinical care possible. We'll be sure to have the proper strategies and guidelines in place for your safety and protection. This time has reminded us of how much we mean to one another, and we're really looking forward to seeing you again. We know this will pass, and when it does, we'll be stronger as a community. Until then, be safe and keep well.